Got our first homeless guy. Some money. How are you, brother? What's your name, man? Michael. How long have you been in the streets for? 5, 6 years. How'd you end up on the streets? Lost your job and tough times. Mate, I'll give you some money just to help you out. Alright, man, I hope that helps a little bit. All the best to you, brother. I'm Ben, by the way. Take care, Michael. All the best. Cheers. Well, guys, that was Michael. He's been in the streets for 5 or 6 years. Doesn't even know how long he's been. I've noticed a lot of these guys, they don't know how old they are.
Thanks. 750? Yeah. Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I can see you buzzing around everywhere, dude.
Oh yeah? Yeah, a lot of shit, huh? Oh man. Take care. Let's get this guy some food. Here you go, man.
Oh, you never do.
No worries, man. Here you go. Have a good Christmas, alright?
Hey, yeah, take it easy on that bike.
Yeah, wave to me next time you see me.
I'll wave to you, dude.
Alright, take care.
You know, time stands still. Alright, guys, let's keep going. Damn. Do you need some money? How long have you been homeless? I'll give you some money, man. Sorry? Yeah, I love it. I just saw you there when I rode past. How long have you been on the street for, or struggling?
I'm 47 years old, so when I was 18 I got to go home.
Really?
I just kind of escaped from some friends who were,
Drugs?
well,
You can be honest.
drugs.
Yeah.
They were stomping on my head as well.
Abusing you.
Yeah, I suppose so, in my room.
It's not good, man. What's your name?
Singer.
Singer. I'm Ben.
Hi, Ben.
Nice to, I'll give you some money, man. Yeah, it's not good, man. It's tough, isn't it? I hope this helps a little bit.
Fantastic.
And have a good Christmas.
I was walking around all over last night. I was walking everywhere.
Trying to get some help.
Yeah,
Alright, man, take care.
thank you very much. Nice.
There's a lady there with her whole life in bags. You okay? You alright? Are you homeless? Do you need some money? How many people here? 4 of you. Are they guys or girls over there? Over there. A mix. Why don't you grab me someone who really needs help and I'll give you both money. Just one person. My name's Ben. You alright, Andy? There you go, man. So I'm just out today. I thought I'd give you guys some money. Help you out. How long you guys been on the streets? How long? Years, huh? There you go, Andy. How long you been on the streets, Andy? 4 or 5 years? How'd you end up on the streets? Family or? Are you from Sydney? And you ended up here, huh? Oh, well, hope you guys take it easy, huh? There's no help around here for you, or what? Yeah. Right, depression. It's a big problem in Sydney, isn't it? Alright guys, well take care of yourselves. I'm gonna keep going. Thanks, Andy.
Okay, I'm gonna give you $3, okay?
Okay.
Deal?
Deal.
Alright. So this guy's like my long lost uncle. He's a YouTuber. So you gotta subscribe to him.
Okay.
Cause I gotta show him, I gotta message him on Instagram, like show him, you know?
Yeah.
Cause he lives in a different country.
Oh yeah.
So type in on YouTube, dirt bike, lunatic.
Oh. 1.4 million subscribers?
Yeah, that's my long lost uncle.
Sweet.
So if you subscribe, I'll give you $3.
I just subscribed.
Did you? Okay. That'll gas you up, okay?
Thank you so much.
Now you can call your dad and say, hey, I'm good.
Okay.
Be safe, alright?
Okay.
Well, there's a lot of crazy people out there driving.
Yeah.
See you later.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.